Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your mentions and tags notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now here you'll find notifications, click on it, and here all you have to do is click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off notifications mentions and tags notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.